Hi and welcome to this Gemara Academy presentation. You can visit us at gemaraacademy.com to get more information. In this presentation, we will see a new feature in the Gemara Academy classes that is now being rolled out and applied, starting with Perek Tfilas HaShachar. So let's get right into it. This presentation basically starts, you could see on the bottom there's a menu, and you have an option of limited or full highlighting. Let's start with the limited highlighting option. So we can go here, and you have the Amud Gemara, and as you can see, when we hover over any of the words, any section, there is a box around it, and that indicates that you could go anywhere on the Amud and click there. And then if you want to bring up the audio, you just click on it again. The Gemara begins by presenting a stira, or a minhu, they raise them. And this way you could navigate throughout the Amud and go to any section. Another thing you can see over here, there's an arrow, which that indicates that you could go to the next Amud, Chavav Amud Beis. And again, you can do the same thing. You can go to any section. The Kavan Daloi Avdal B'Kamaisa, that since he did not do Avdallah in the first one, and bring up the translation and the audio. We can see over here there's also 3 numbers. This indicates that we're on number 1. Since it's a large Amud, it's broken up into 3 sections. So you could jump to section number 2, and again, pick any of the words to go to, or you can move along even further to section 3. And then when you're done, you can move on to the next Amud, in this case, Chav Zayin Amud Aleph. So that's one option that you can do. This is called limited highlighting. And now we'll present the second option, which is full highlighting. We'll go back to the menu. And here we have full highlighting. When you go to the full highlighting, it's essentially the same thing. The difference is that everything is highlighted and the audio comes up right away. So let's jump into that. Tfilas HaShachar, ad Chatzos is till Chatzos. And again, you can see every section is highlighted. We'll go to the Minhu. The Gemara begins by presenting a stira, or a minhu, they raise them. And over here, wherever you're going to be, is going to bring up a box around the words. The Gemara presents its shaila. And if it's green, it'll bring up a green box. The Gemara presents its tshuva, response, toshma, come in here. And then we can move on the same way from Chavav Amud Aleph to Chavav Amud Beis. Presenting a teaching. Tanu Rabbanon, the rabbis taught in a brisa. And then, again, we have the same structure of 2 and the Gemara begins by 3. Our Gemara begins by presenting a raya for the opinion of Rabbi Yeshua ben Levi. And we can also move to the next Amud. Hainu Rabbanon is the same as the Rabbanon, and there's no machlekes. And so here we see the new feature of Gemara Academy that is now being rolled out into all of the classes.